The ARBI's mission is to closely monitor the ideological purity of its citizens. No one can be above suspicion. John Smith's allegiance came into question when his wife left the Reich for the neutral zone. Before that, an assassination attempt was made on our Führer's life that Smith let go unanswered. The question is why?
Smith, you have no answer?
I crushed the rebellion in Denver. That was my answer.
And yet Price remains at large. How is that?
Is my loyalty in question?
Not just yours.
You were questioning Reich policy.
Everything I said was true. You have the same doubts.
Yes, and I keep them to myself.
I've seen him this bad before. He's one coughing fit away from having you eliminated, John. All of us.
I know.
I don't want to stay here.
Janet,
I could go live with Uncle Hank on my own. We've been out there before. We know where it is.
Stop it. Stop.
She did, but it's all an act. She's back to playing the perfect Reich life. My parents are at the top of the Nazi mark.
Things are different out here, John. People talk about the things that nobody talks about in the Reich.
What things?
The things that you and I were a part of. The girls, they've heard it. They ask me questions.
This is your last chance to defend yourself and your family. Speak, John Smith. I ask you, gentlemen, is this man a believer? Is this the face of a true National Socialist, or the mask for which he hides behind to protect his family?
Bring the Reismarschall to my chambers in 1 hour.